Hello, Benny K.
This one. Wait, I can eat
What?
You're a chef.
Chef.
Chef cooking.
Oh, really?
Cooking.
Hello.
Hello. What do you cook, Kirabel?
I'm cooking some Ethiopian dish, which is called kitfo.
Kitfo.
So that's minced beef. Kitfo lebileb. Or
Bolo bolo.
kitfo bolo bolo, no.
Bolo bolo. Is that the food?
Yes, this is almost ready.
From the beef, yeah?
Yeah, beef, minced beef. With butter,
Butter.
chili pepper,
Pepper, huh?
and salt, of course. And there's one spice that I was explaining to them earlier, which is called korarima, and that has its own English name, I guess, in English or Latin or something. It's called korarima. Yeah,
Wow.
and more or less that is.
Okay.
So it's almost ready now.
It's already, yeah? It's finished.
Yeah.
You cook with the
And then this one,
oil?
butter. Yeah.
Only butter.
Only
Oh,
butter.
okay. Then this
Yes.
for
This is for we call it uvs, so that's like fried beef.
this is also beef.
It's also beef.
That you cutting, yeah. But
Yeah.
it's, more,
Minced, yeah, it's more, yeah.
Bubble gum.
okay.
Oh yeah, it makes it like.
Nice.
I think so already.
So with
Wow.
that?
Yeah.
Our set. You put beef with onion?
Onions, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Salt, oil.
Yeah.
Can I have the? And what else? Korarima.
Korarima. You can bring
Garlic.
korarima from you can find the korarima here or what?
I don't think so. I don't think you can find it here. I don't know.
Yeah,
But I brought it from Ethiopia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It looks like yummy. Yeah.
I'm eating this, but I'm feeling that.
Yeah, good idea.
That's not bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. I really hope it has enough salt. Done. So we're done.
I think you are not vegetarian. Because I remember in Tuk
Yeah.
You like it? Maybe the other one, the one with steak.
With
Mungo bean.
the oil is already coming.
Yeah.
You don't like it? Vegetarian?
Good. Yeah, wow.
Yes. I think it's also the spices in it, so the spices are good.
Did you cook every day at home or
No.
sometimes?
Once in a while, yeah. Yeah.
You know your Ethiopian food. Ethiopian food, and this also Ethiopian food.
Bit special. That is called Durkosh Furfur.
Why also? What not?
Say it in English.
This is a beef
That's
also?
no. That's
This is
purely
vegetable.
vegetarian. Yeah. No, that is bread.
This
We
is
call it
bread. Okay.
injera, so it's flat bread.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a bit complicated to explain, but
One time we have to fly to Ethiopia, Arabella.
yes, and see it for yourself.
Not
Yes.
only Arabella cooking here. And then we can find, I think it's, it's an expensive ticket in Ethiopia.
It is.
How
It
much?
might cost you round trip might cost you 800
Ah,
800 franc.
It's like going
Go
home.
and back.
Yeah, going back,
It's
yes.
cheap.
800 or
In my
something.
country, 2,000.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's far actually. I can
Yeah, it's
imagine.
far away.
It's double.
Far.
Right there.
Yeah,
20 hours, more than 20
yeah.
hours.
No, that's far.
You fly
Okay, we're
20
done.
Hours.
At least
You're-
we can
you're
plan
Yeah,
go
I'm
to
done.
Ethiopia, Arabella.
Mhm.
Yeah. But you are the guide, yeah? With Joseph.
Yes, yes.
He has to keep us safe because we know nobody there.
Yeah. Why is this not working?
No, you have to really go that
This
and you
is
have to
our
press
madam.
it down.
Okay. And if I want to
You're
add more, yeah.
And if you want to add more, you just press that and then
Give me 6, 7. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
you want it just a small flame.
yeah.
Now it's English
That's fine.
language. No problem.
Yeah.
I can explain also bottom. And everybody's already know it's
You don't
Ah,
need
this is
it
too strong. No.
And the basket is melted.
Yeah.
You forgot to take it in the fridge.
It's fine, yeah. I think it's better if we put it in the fridge. Yeah.
Finish the cook.
Shall I put it?
Yeah.
Makanan Ethiopia, kentang, salad. Thank you, Babel. You already cooked for us. And Wilma also, Arabella, thank you for inviting us.